Promise not to use. Promise. Promise not to use. Promise. Promise not to use.
What if I told you we're going to walk through a home that was built in 1910? That's right, 116 years old. You don't see that often. You're in for a treat. 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath in pristine condition. Wait till you see the unique features in this home. Let's go take a look. 716 East Lime. Again, take a look at this beautiful home right here in downtown Lakeland. One of the Lake Morton century homes, meaning it is got that plaque right above, just like that one right there that we showed you on our YouTube channel earlier. This one's got quite some character. You're gonna love this. First of all, look at the beautiful bricks. You know, I can't really make some of these out, but if the home's 116 years old, I'm guessing the bricks have had their age also. So let's take a look at this. But see, the thing you see here is pretty amazing. Here's the massive front porch. This home has got so much of its original quality. The owner's done an amazing job at leaving so much of it like it was. You can just imagine 100 years ago sitting on your front porch here, saying hi to the neighbors. And this is downtown Lakeland now. All right, I'm reminiscing too much. Let's go. Let's take a look at the house. By the way, I was not here that long ago. So, all right, when you first walk in, first of all, look at these beautiful finished hardwood floors. Aren't those stunning? Those are gonna be throughout the home. You can see a lot of this is just original. All right, I'm gonna keep going. So this is your formal living room. Really kind of your main family room. Little fireplace, got central heating and air. They've redone the electrical. Again, just the beautiful flooring. Look at the heavy casing around the doors here. It's all dark, so it's really, really pretty. The contrast is phenomenal. So that's up to the bedrooms. We're gonna go there in just a second, but I said living room. Really, this would be kind of your formal living, and then your family, and there's another sitting room right in the back. Here is your half bathroom for downstairs, your guest bath. And again, they've made some nice improvements. Look at these doors. Very pretty. And then coming over here, this is really nicely lit up too. You can see all the electrical has been redone. Heading into the kitchen, granite countertops, beautiful upgraded, updated cabinets, tile backsplash, pantry here, stainless steel fridge, large kitchen for an older home. I'm gonna show you that backyard in a minute. It's gonna blow you away. Security system. There's a small closet over here, and look at this. This is kind of cool. Look at that. Some of the old hardware. Just take a look at this. Isn't that cool? Just the memories here. All right, let's head upstairs. Lots of natural light in here too. I got a lot of the blinds kind of closed, but natural light's very nice in this. So look at the beautiful, all this has been refinished. Look at this. these stairs. A little hard to tell from the video, but it's really pretty. The wood looks great. All right, let's look up, and you can see up here, you're gonna have 3 bedrooms and a full bath. As I catch my breath. All right, so here's a closet space right here. Here's one of the bedrooms. This is on the south side of the house. Got double windows. Kind of finishing up some last minute touches here. Look how short the doors are, because 100 years ago, first of all, doors weren't as tall. And how much space do you think you had in the closets 100 years ago? Yeah, that's it. Just needs a little shelving right here. That's how big they were, because they only had a handful of outfits, right? Didn't have the clothes like we do today, and all the junk, all the stuff. Big bedroom here, massive. Really nice size. Beautiful light. You can see this in your closet. Kind of cool the way they just kind of left some of this, this brick here. Put a mirror, very pretty. Feels good in here. It's a little toasty today in Florida. And then here is your other bedroom. Again, nice size room. Closet hidden behind here. Next door neighbors. All right, so I'm gonna explore this together. This, I believe, is probably your closet. Yeah, this is your closet. Hey, little shelf there. Yes. I haven't opened this door yet. 2 closets. Gotta be your master bedroom, right? His and hers closets. Look how pretty the woodwork is, though. It's gorgeous. Here's your full bath right in the hall. And this is just probably a linen closet. It is another closet, storage, but it's a really pretty bathroom. You can see they've redone the flooring. Step-in shower. Very nicely done. This has all been updated. High ceilings. Another little closet, and then the natural light here. And then again, just a cool feature. Look at that. Isn't that neat? I mean, man, somebody's really taking good care of this home. All right, let's walk back downstairs and we'll wrap up the tour. What I want to show you is a backyard that's really nice. Now, again, this would be an ideal Airbnb or a young family who wants to be downtown Lakeland, really close to the Lakeland vibes downtown. It's getting really nice downtown. I mean, this is 5 minutes from downtown, or if you want an Airbnb, no HOA, of course. Look at this. Trax decking. Look at this back deck you got back here, which is great. Again, the beautiful ceiling. Look at this backyard. It's like a sanctuary back here. All this old brick, we could do all your parking. Goes way back. Look at this. It's all fully fenced too. So this is something you just don't see a lot. A massive yard in the city limits, close to downtown, all the way back to there. And the house is way up here. If you'd like to tour this home, this is listed by my business partner, Russ Rhodes. We are Rhodes Stevens Real Estate Group, eXp Realty. My name is Brian Stevens, and I'm going to link my cell phone number below if you'd like to take a look at it. Myself or Russ can show you this lovely home. Here's how you get to the back. I parked her on the other side of this gate. So again, you got some really pretty features here. Love to show it to you. God bless. Have a great day. Wasn't that a fun home to tour? So if you want to see this home in person and really see what it looks like in person rather than on video, let's connect and let me show it to you. I would love to show you this one. There's one across the street right now available too. It's got upgrades galore too. It's over 100 years old. Either way, we can connect you. Myself, Brian, my business partner, Russ. If you've enjoyed this, do me a favor, subscribe to this channel because I drop home walkthroughs all the time of 100-year-old homes, brand new homes from $50,000 to $3 million, you name it. We drop them on this channel because we love touring homes. Don't you like looking at them? Subscribe to this. It'll notify you whenever we drop more videos. But most importantly of all, I'd love to connect with you about your real estate needs. Contact me below, whether selling or buying. You got to call Brian. Have a great day.